Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox this box from Tita Maya and Tita Ronnie. Mwah!
Okay,
I
open
love
it.
you.
Open it nga. Remove the tape. Yan.
Yeah.
Be careful.
Sandali.
Yeah.
Wait.
What will you say?
Thank you, Tita Maya and Tita Ronnie.
Wow.
Wait.
What's this?
Wow. Hey, don't throw it. What's that?
It's just a video.
You like it?
What is that, flowers?
Or boys can like flowers too, remember?
What
Oh,
else?
what else? Wow.
Chips. And
Wow. That's your favorite, right?
whatever it is.
It's a storybook and a coloring book.
It's a coloring book.
Mm-hmm.
What is there? Another one.
Wow. What's it say? Tarzan. I love Tarzan.
You hate Tarzan, Mama.
No.
No, I like Tarzan.
But first time,
Let's watch that movie.
Oo, maganda yan movie.
Oh, next. Go. Unbox ka pa, boss.
Hey. But before I was watching.
Ooh. Be careful.
Storybook. Yeah, storybook and coloring book.
Tell DC what's leaving tea.
Ah, si Wiwi. She knows si Willy Winky.
Do you know?
Oh.
Look at the big chip.
Whoa, that's so fun. This has to be chips now.
What? Otto, don't throw it.
Fine.
We have that.
Can I have the big chips?
You can have this. It's not my favorite.
What's your favorite? Show me. Show the camera your favorite. That one. Can I have the other one then?
What other one?
Yeah.
There's
two.
two.
You can have this.
Just kidding. You can have that because that's your favorite.
You can have this, DC.
Oh, sige, open mo pa. Meron pa sa box, oh.
What's that bottle?
What's that pink one?
Yeah, what's that pink bottle?
Is this for you?
Oh, I think that's a toy. Ano yan?
Okay. Poppins.
You can put your pencils, I think.
Pencils. Yeah. Don't open it yet, anak.
Okay.
Show it. Show.
My favorite.
That's your favorite?
Yep. Don't have this. This is
Yeah, I can have that. Oh, who's that?
Peter Pan.
Peter Pan.
Baliktad. You look at the camera. I think Zoe wants to eat
What's
some.
it? Oh, what's this?
Hey, that's your favorite.
What's this?
Biscuits.
Wafer.
Yeah, we just put them in the ground. I just put them in. Here you go, Ati.
Ano yan?
It's for you.
It's for me? Thank you.
It's your favorite.
How'd you know? Whoa. You like that? I think you like this one.
No other like that.
Yes, it's yummy.
No, it's
Oh, Pringles.
Anong favorite mo dyan?
um,
Di ba you like the Pringles?
this fence is here already.
Let's have another movie night, I think.
Yes.
Can we eat all the chips?
Oh, tapos na?
Yeah.
What do you say?
This still more.
Hey.
And another, this.
What do you say, Alonso?
Thank you, Tita Maya and Tita Wally. I love you. Bye. Mwah. Can you open this?